Alright, let's take a look at this application problem here. Let's read it. A pair of shorts takes 3 4/7 yards of material. How many shorts can be made from 15.5 yards? Well, if nothing comes to mind, I say draw a picture. Material is measured when you go to the store and is sold in yards. So let's say this here represents 15.5 yards. A pair of shorts is smaller than that. It's only 3 4/7, so maybe something like this. 3 4/7 yards. So let's get a big picture here. The idea is how many of these shorter segments will fit into that longer segment, and that hopefully will help you. You can tackle it one of two ways, but one way to do this is by division. If you, and I'll kind of prove it to you here, if you take 10 and divide it by 2, that's really saying how many 2's fit into 10. So how many 2's fit into 10 is 5 of them, and the question here is how many of these fit into this piece. So it's how many 3 4/7 fit into 15.5, and that's really this division problem here. So how many 3 4/7 fit into 15.5? So once you get that, then you can use your calculator to do that. I'll show you how to do that. Those are two mixed numbers we're dividing, and if you take 15.5 in parentheses, you can write it this way: 15 and 1/2. The and rarely represents addition, so we have a fractional piece and a whole number piece. So that's 15.5 divided by, in another set of parentheses, 3 4/7. So 3 and 4/7 again represents addition. So that's how you would type it in your calculator, your graphing calculator anyway. So if we hit enter, that's 4 and 3/4. By the way, I'm sorry, 4 and 34 hundredths, not 3/4. 4 and 34 hundredths. So this decimal really is a shorthand way of writing a mixed number. There's a whole number and a fractional piece. So just as a by the way, this is 4 and 34 hundredths. That has the same value. I'll prove it to you. See? 4 and 34 hundredths. So the question though is how many shorts can we make? We can't make 5, but we certainly can make 4 pair. 4 pair. Alright, so division will again tell us how many of those guys fit into those guys, and order does matter.